Today's episode of Whack
Whack. No. Oh, God.
My two kitty cats. Muffin. Oh!
Can you pick a card? Yeah! What'd you choose?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
Hey, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. Don't go down there. Ah, you died.
Come on. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you f***ing did it. Oh, shit. Yeah, that was a horrible idea. I don't go out.
No, those are those are my eyelashes.
It's okay. No.
I think I made too many friends out here. Yep, most definitely.
What's up, dude? What is?
Get out of the dishwasher.
So Knox is the best dog in. No.
Oh shit! I mean, if you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive even?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pissed. He looked at me. But I have my own child. Hi. Wanna say hi?
I gotta go, bye!
Okay.
Bye, I'm leaving!
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
I told my son to take the donkey a bath.
That's not a rat. That's not a rat. That's a muskrat. Hey, little guy. Oh my God! Oh!
Parce que là, elle va sauter de super loin.
Looking for some leftover Chinese food. Ah, come here. Damn it. Oh my God. I'm next. I'm next.
Come here. Oh, can you sit? Sit. Oh.
Got that on video. Over my mouth.
1, 2, 3. Oh my girl.
What, you're only allowed to kiss me?
¿Dónde?
Oh, what's her name?
Skylar, she don't bite.
She don't bite?
Yeah, she's a sweetheart.
You don't got enough good enough grip on her, bro.
小宝，滚回来！
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Casper, Bailey's here. It's literally like he forgot.
That's the range kitty. I'm not a cat guy. I wouldn't call myself a cat guy. She's not a cat. She's not a human cat. Cat human.
Seriously? Where? Go outside now. No, come here. Come on. Oh!
Lady, door.
This right here is why we don't crawl in that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
No! Naked!
Good job, lady. All right. Look at you go. Oh, no.
Pippa, no. Pippa, no, Pippa. You're an idiot. No, no. Oh my gosh. Pippa, no. Holy.
I'm legit being attacked by pigeons. Yo, what is going on? What is going on? What is this?
Good girl.
Hey, can I have that back? Please. Can I have it back? Oh, thank you.
I thought she threw up in her bowl. Why the fork? Is it so big?
How you doing there, buddy?
I'm doing great, brother.
You are literally chilling with a seal. This seal is sleeping on you, bro.
Call him, Will.
Fight me, bitch.
Oh my god.
What?
What you got there, cowboy?
Oh shit! It's still alive. Where is it? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
What did you do? Well, not sure what pillow this is. You gotta be shitting me.
What did you do? Was it you, Murphy? Or was it this guy?
Hello, my name is Teddy, and watch what happens next. Oops, sorry.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see?
Good morning, my little bubbas. How are you? How my little doggy do this morning? Do you want me to sing you a little song? Oh, how I love my little Quincy. He's my favorite little boy.
No thank you. No thank you. Okay.
Means you good, ain't it?
Wally, is she farting?
Oh, no, 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 no.
She's literally like waiting for her friend.
Oh my God!
Let's go in TW. Did you get it?
Yes! Dad, I think you have a new dog.
In the fridge again.
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just gonna let you continue to have it.
Yum yum.
No, not again.
Must take a stance against the LGBTQ community. I hate. Hi, babies. Hi, babe.
你别笑。
My fishies love their tower to get up and see what is happening outside their tank.
It's my pretty fishies.
Hey. Hey. Hey, it's not real. The tiger's not real.
Now, gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Which is more hilarious? If they knew this would happen, or if they did not.
Dude dropped his phone in the monkey enclosure.
It's my brother's phone, so we'll see if we'll get it back. I'm just kind of recording him because the woman told me not to lose the monkey with the phone, so...
Hey, bro, you don't work here?